here then. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay, you good. You good. We on a scooter right now. Try to get the whole thing. Try to let me see.
Alright. Just watch where you're going, because we're steering the ship. And I'm just relying on you. Okay. No sharp turn. The straight is good, but the turning. Dinner and toast. And the juice. We'll be on the tippy toes. 205. Yeah, just right on the sidewalk. Yeah, walking man. By the park.
Some scooters are faster.
It's by the park. Slower. Yeah, because I was thinking
Oh, you know. We didn't drive, so we on the scooter right now.
Don't drink and drive, just lime and lime.
Lime and ride, don't drink and drive.
Ride the line.
I'm gonna stop at the stop sign, okay?
Does that look like a line?
So you know what?
Speed through that.
Yeah, but I feel like we rode all the way from UBS though, that's crazy. But we didn't. It's so close though.
I'm sorry.
So that's...
Turn it. Going in a New York minute. Ketchup and mustard. Yeah. Salt, pepper, ketchup, mayo on a roll. Don't forget to add that bacon.
How about now?
Yeah.
How about now?
A little turny turn that I like. Wow! Oh my God. Okay, yeah.
Alright.
Let's not get charged more.
I'm about to drop you off. Be prepared for a little bump, alright?
Thank you, Uber. 5 stars. 5 stars. 5 stars, Uber. You're supposed to be on the Greyhound, but you're really on the line?
Do a trick.
This is the trick.
Oh.